The legendary Nokia 6300 is back in 2027, and it's not just a comeback, it's a bold reinvention of a classic. For those who remember the original, this device carries a wave of nostalgia. But for today's generation, the Nokia 6300 2027 stands as a perfect blend of simplicity, durability, and smart modern upgrades. At first glance, the design instantly catches your eye. Nokia has retained the iconic compact form factor, but refined it with a premium metal finish that feels both sturdy and stylish. The curved edges and polished frame give it a timeless look, while the refreshed keypad offers a satisfying tactile experience, something touchscreen phones simply can't replicate. The display has also been upgraded, featuring a brighter and sharper screen compared to its predecessor. While it's not trying to compete with flagship smartphones, it delivers exactly what it promises: clear visuals for calls, texts, and light browsing. And honestly, that's the beauty of this phone. It focuses on what really matters. Under the hood, the Nokia 6300 2027 is powered by an optimized lightweight operating system, ensuring smooth performance without unnecessary complexity. Whether you're making calls, sending messages, or using essential apps like WhatsApp and YouTube Lite, everything runs efficiently. It's the perfect device for users who want to stay connected without distractions. Battery life is where this phone truly shines. In a world where smartphones struggle to last a full day, the Nokia 6300 2027 easily delivers multiple days of usage on a single charge. That means less time worrying about charging and more time enjoying uninterrupted communication. Connectivity is another strong point. With 4G support, you get fast and reliable internet access, making it more than just a basic phone. It bridges the gap between classic and modern, offering a smart feature phone experience that feels surprisingly capable. The camera setup is simple yet functional. It's not designed for professional photography, but it gets the job done for quick snaps and everyday moments. And let's be real, this phone isn't about chasing megapixels, it's about reliability and ease of use. One of the biggest advantages of the Nokia 6300 2027 is its durability. Built with Nokia's signature toughness, this phone can handle drops, rough use, and daily wear far better than fragile glass smartphones. It's a device you can truly depend on. In conclusion, the Nokia 6300 2027 is not trying to replace your flagship smartphone, it's offering something different. It's for those who want simplicity, long battery life, and a distraction-free experience without completely disconnecting from the modern world. If you're tired of constant notifications, short battery life, and overly complicated devices, this might just be the perfect phone for you. The Nokia 6300 2027 proves that sometimes, going back to basics is the smartest upgrade you can make. Stay tuned to upcoming Smartphones Hub for more exciting tech reviews.